located in mysterious Seven Mountains. Alden Travel customize unforgettable experiences to discover Viet culture at the best local price. With vantage ground of Mother River Mekong, Alden Travel help travelers discover the fascinating winding waterways where life is governed by the ebb and flow of Vietnam's most iconic river. Experience life of traders and farmers on floating fish farms. Visit hidden Cham village to hear story of idyllic people, their culture, their well-known weaving products. Every year, people downstream always look forward to the flood season, bringing in tons of shrimp, fish, silt and other minerals. This year the water is higher than every year because the hydroelectric dam discharges water. Local people are very happy. Let's cruise around Chau Dock floating village to feel this joy. Continue cruising along Chau River to Cham village. The Cham women here have been weaving though come for hundreds of years. Their loom has been improved many times by artist Mohammed, so now they weave faster, longer and more beautifully than before. A small border city but famous with the blending culture of Vietnamese, Chinese, Cham and Khmer. The dishes in floating village are very rustic. Fish and shrimp are caught on the river, the canal, very fresh and delicious. Vegetables are picked along the river banks, including wild vegetables. The best opportunity for anyone loves cycling and love tranquil countryside in Vietnam. Something or somewhere you'd never found in any direction book or track maps. Alden Travel offers all these and more in some of the most magical and far-flung destinations in Vietnam.